Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can blur your face on CapCut PC. So select your video and add that in, and you're just going to want to copy and paste that. Then on the second video we are going to select the blur effect, and we're going to add, oops, that's the hazy one, sorry, this one's the blur one, and you're just going to place it inside of the video like so. There we go. You can adjust how blurry you want it to be. Maybe this is enough. And then you're just going to go back here and then select the video again. Go to mask and select circle, and you're just going to want to basically size it so it just covers their face and nothing else. And you're just going to feather it out just a little bit, and you can like rotate it as well. And if it moves, just add in a keyframe. And when it like kind of moves out of the frame, you're just going to move the shape again so it covers the face all the time, like so. And then here I'm just going to rotate it a little bit. I'm just going to place it there. Okay, hold on. Then I'm just going to move it here and here a bit. And that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!